Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux MS Excel Guide. Today I am going to tell you about the left function in Excel, which is the part of text series. So what is that? In Excel, a text series refers to a sequence of text values that can be generated automatically using the fill handle or the fill series feature, allowing you to quickly create lists like days of the week, months, or custom text sequences. Now, what is this left function? Now, left function returns the first character or characters in the text string based on the number of characters you specify. As you can see here, I have written the formula. So if I write here, say equals left, then hit tab, open your bracket, and then give the cell reference, and this number of character, this is actually optional. So I'm giving here 3. So I want to extract first 3 character of this particular cell starting from M. So I'm giving 3 here, close the bracket, hit enter. So you can see only first 3 character has been extracted right from here, which is MIC mic. Now if I use the same formula again by not giving your number of character, what will happen? Let's see. Left, hit tab, give cell reference and close the bracket, hit enter. Only M will come because we have not given any number of characters over here. So by default it will be taken the first character of the letter from the cell. So that is all about left function. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. Stick to my channel. New videos are coming into your way. Thank you so much.